So if your foot hurts, my foot hurts right here. These things are all supposed to move. Your toes. There's like 2 or 3 joints in every toe, and they go way back up in here. This one kind of moves when you walk. My foot is so stiff, all of these bones back here don't even move when I walk. It's just like a big board. But now my toe joint hurts right there. This is the ankle. There's 2 bones that go up the leg. And then the heel bone is a big bone right there. But on this person, it's plastic, but you know, everything moves. That would be so wonderful. You could jump and send yourself in the air if you wanted to. But mine is more like stuck together. Everything's stuck together.